Hey gearheads, welcome back to RPM Studio, where the past roars back to life and every classic gets the spotlight it deserves. Before we dive into today's rolling legend, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any vintage revs, chrome dreams, and engine screams. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're taking a close-up look at a true post-war American icon, the 1949 Pontiac Chieftain. A car that didn't just roll off the production line. It cruised straight into the golden age of design, power, and personality. Whether you're a die-hard vintage fan or just getting into classics, the 49 Chieftain is one of those rides that demands a second, third, and fourth glance. Let's kick things off with that front end, the face that introduced a new era for Pontiac. Gone were the old, pre-war curves. What stood in front of us now was bold, fresh, and confident. The 1949 Chieftain was Pontiac's first true post-war design, and it made a serious impression. Right at the center, you've got that unmistakable silver streak running down the hood, like a blade cutting through time. It's flanked by a chrome-heavy grille that honestly looks like it was designed by someone with a love for both machinery and jewelry. The Chieftain hood ornament, shaped like a Native American chief with amber-colored acrylic that glows when the lights are on. Now that's the kind of detail you just don't get anymore. It's not just a car, it's a sculpture with a V8 heart. From the front, we cruise over to the right side, where you start to appreciate the full length of this beauty. The 1949 model came in various body styles: sedan, coupe, convertible, and this one we're looking at today is the two-door sedan, a perfect balance between sporty and stately. Just look at the flowing fenders, the minimal yet strong belt line, and the chrome accents that trace every curve like they were hand-drawn. The side mirrors are small, almost decorative compared to today's, but they blend in perfectly with the overall aesthetic. You can't help but admire how low and sleek the car sits, especially with those classic white wall tires hugging steel wheels and chrome hubcaps that practically wink at you in the sunlight. Alright, now it's time for the heartbeat of the beast. Let's pop the hood and see what's cooking underneath. Under the hood, Pontiac gave buyers two engine options in 1949, the 239 cubic inch inline-six and the Meteor 248 cubic inch straight-eight, a flathead that was smooth, quiet, and full of character. The one we've got today, that sweet, straight-eight, producing around 104 horsepower. Now I know what you're thinking, by modern standards, that's not a lot. But back in '49, this was solid performance for a car this size. And the way it drives? Smooth as melted butter on a hot plate. The engine bay might not be as crammed as modern cars, but that's the charm. You can see everything. Every wire, every bolt, every line has its place. No plastic covers, no fake vents. Just honest mechanical muscle. Listen to that idle. It's low, steady, and almost therapeutic. The 3-speed manual transmission, often referred to as the 3 on the tree, might take a minute to get used to if you're new to it, but once you get the rhythm, it's pure driving joy. This car doesn't just take you from A to B, it takes you back in time. Now, let's talk numbers, but not just horsepower. Let's talk price. Back in 1949, a new Pontiac Chieftain would have cost you somewhere around $1,500 to $2,300, depending on the trim and options. That may sound like lunch money today, but back then, it was a serious investment. Today? Well, that depends on condition, originality, and whether it's been restored. A solid, drivable example will run you anywhere from $18,000 to $30,000, while fully restored showpieces can cross the $40,000 mark without breaking a sweat. And trust me, there are buyers out there hunting these down for their collections. Not just because of rarity, but because the 1949 Chieftain represents something special, a turning point for American automotive design. The Chieftain isn't just a car you own, it's a piece of art you drive. It's Sunday drives, roadside diners, and chrome dreams wrapped in steel. And honestly, how many modern cars can you say that about? Every curve, every detail, every rumble of that straight-eight motor, it tells a story. A story of post-war optimism, of engineering pride, and of a time when cars had soul. So if you're thinking of getting into the classic car world and want something with presence, performance, and a whole lot of personality, the 1949 Pontiac Chieftain should be near the top of your list. And hey, before we wrap this ride up, Don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to RPM Studio for more classic reviews, deep dives, and stories that bring these beautiful machines back to life. We've got plenty more chrome, carburetors, and cool rides coming your way. Thanks for riding with us today. Until next time, keep your engine warm and your wheels turning.